Today we will be doing a science experiment of forming air bubbles with 2-year-old Shreya and 3-year-old Ansh. Here we are using baking soda on a heart-shaped paper. Here you can see small colorful boxes. They are filled with vinegar solution mixed in small amount of watercolor. Kids will fill the heart with fizzing colors and enjoy the bubbling eruptions.
Hi kids! Hi kids!
Hi kids! We will be doing baking soda and vinegar experiment. Okay? So these are different colors in vinegar. What is this color?
Yellow!
Shreya, what is this? Yellow. Okay. What is this color?
Red!
Red. Good job. What is this?
Green!
What is this color?
Blue! Blue!
Oh, and what is this color?
Purple!
Purple. So what we will do, we will take these colors in these droppers, take this vinegar solution in this dropper and we will put on the baking soda, okay? So Shreya, what color you want? Which color you want? Purple? Okay, so your color is purple, and Ansh, which color you want? Red? Okay. You have to do like this. Now drop it. Oh, wow. Wow, there is a bubble, see? Wow, Ansh made a bubble. Oh, wow, Shreya's bubble. Good job. Ansh turn, Shreya's turn. Shreya's turn. Okay. Oh, wow. Up Ansh turns.
Blue!
So, press it. Press it. And release. Press and release like this. Press and release. Yes.
Press!
Release.
Press!
Press. Release. Again. Press. Release. Okay? Release. Press. Release.
Press!
Release.
Press! Release!
Chalo. Press. Release. देखो कैसे बबल्स हो रहे हैं. Wow. Color blast. Press. Release. Wow.
Release! Press!
Shreya, come, let's press.
Release!
Press. Release. देखो bubbles. Press. Release. Let's do blue. Mix. Press. Ooh, देखो. Press. Ooh, bubbles. Where are the bubbles? Ooh, देखो. Wow.
This is bubble.
These are bubbles. देखो. Lovely. देखो ऐसे कलर उठाना है. Ooh, this is more fun. Oh wow! Wow! So many bubbles. Lovely. This one purple. Ooh, lovely. Very good.
Some color. Wow.
Dalo, dalo, Bubbles. Very good, Shreya. Very good. Wow.
Wow.
Very good. Purple. Ansh, you want to try purple?
Wow. Nice.
Oh, wow. So many colors. Lovely.
This is very good. Wow. Wow.
Oh.
Lovely.
Banao. It's lovely. There are so many colors. Bubbles. You are blowing the bubbles. Wow.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that is baking soda plus vinegar bubble. Yeah. Very good. Lovely.
Lovely.
Very good, Shreya. Very good. Wow. Wow. 1, 2, 3. The purple bomb will explode.
Wow!
Look at the blue bomb. 1, 2, 3. देखो क्या हो रहा है blue bomb.
Wow, air bubbles coming out.
1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Ah, the green bomb. And now the yellow bomb.
Wow!
There.
Now the red bomb. Look. Woo. ये कलर बॉम्ब्स हैं. क्या है?
High five.
One, two, three.
The rest of the year is still ready.
Good.
Yeah, ready, and pretty.
Wow. Did we just complete the heart? It's okay.
Thank you so much for watching. Please comment and share and do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next activity. Till then, bye bye and take care.